Giving you the headlines first, Manipur police arrest 4 cadres of different underground outfits, recovers huge cache of arms and ammunition from different locations. Bazaar shop owners' community's 24-hour total shutdown affects normal life in 𝗂𝐲𝐵𝗓 market area. Business establishments, pharmacies shut. Manipur cannot be saved without Meiteis, says Meitei Leepun Chief Pramod. And Assam police seize huge consignment of drug worth 105 crore rupees, arrest 3 Mizoram residents. Hello Kurumjiri, this is Northeast Window and you're watching English News with me, Jessie Thiam. Now the news in detail. Manipur police arrested cadres of different outfits reportedly involved in extortion case. Search operations and area domination were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Hill and Valley districts, a report from Manipur Police Control Room. During the search operations, 9mm carbine machine gun with 1 magazine, 9mm pistol with 1 magazine, 1.22 pistol with 1 magazine, 7 live rounds ammunition were recovered from IT Road, Kangpokpi district, the report said. On the other hand, the Manipur police arrested 1 cadre of Pambay-led UNLF identified as Assam Nabachandra Meitei, 41 from MI Road, Imphal West district yesterday. 1.32 pistol along with magazine and 9 live ammunitions were seized, and he was involved in extortion cases, the report mentioned. On 18th May, security forces recovered arms and ammunition from Island Village from 7 miscreants who later escaped, taking advantage of mob-like situation. The recovered items include 1 INSAS rifle, 5.56mm along with 1 magazine, 1 INSAS LMZ 1.303 rifle with magazine, 2 SBBL 12-bore gun, 1 binocular, 1 kukri with cover, 12-bore ammunition belt and 59 ammunition. A case has been registered for further investigation, it said. While on 17th May, the state police arrested 3 active members of proscribed pre-park organization from Tangal Bazaar, Imphal West. They have been identified as Kontaujam Kumar, 46, Ankur Mahavar, 40, and Navin Mahavar, 48. 3 mobile phones and 1,90,000 rupees cash were recovered from them. They were also involved in extortion cases, the report continued. Manipur police also arrested 1 𝗷𝗻𝗻 𝗵𝗁𝐵 alias Makak, 24, for illegal possession of magazine and ammunition from 𝗍𝗶𝘁𝗔𝗻 Imphal West on May 16. 1 magazine, 10 live ammunition and 1 mobile handset were seized from him. 𝗂𝐲𝐵𝗓 wore a deserted look today as shops and business establishments including pharmacies in and around the market remained closed in support of the 24-hour shutdown called by Bazaar shop owners community. It may be mentioned Bazaar shop owners community announced the 24-hour total shutdown in 𝗂𝐲𝐵𝗓 market area, Manipur decrying various problems occurring in the market area. In a release signed by the members of the Bazaar shop owners community stated that due to the various problems being faced in Bazaar area, the community including all the small and big shop owners have unanimously taken the decision for market shutdown. The small and big shops including pharmacies located in the 𝗂𝐲𝐵𝗓 area imposed the 24 hours total shutdown following the decision. Meitei Leepun Chief Pramod maintained that without Meiteis, Manipur cannot be saved. As such, in order to save Manipur, Meiteis need to be strong. He said this while speaking at the birth anniversary of erstwhile Prince Herachandra at the office of Meitei Leepun at Langol today. Pramod said Meitei Leepun has been tirelessly working for the welfare and protection of the Meitei community since 2015, stating that Meitei Leepun works by emulating the ideas of Prince Herachandra. He expressed the need for all to unitedly save the community, questioning if men in camouflage moving around the valley area are really protecting the state and fighting the war. He urged the people to take responsibility for protection of the state.
Aduna Meitei identity is the Meitei Romlene, Aduna Okinaga Harris, Pacific identity. Nagazo identity mega Hana Mao Mara, the Propensalaga, village system, Naga, Naga, identity, Sagalina. She process by Amsi, Sagara Naga, I don't Sagara, Ama. Ada try na pula cookie gana masai aku try terus muncul lagi na Meitei sal 33 episode aku paham bayar nama pala aku di sini cuma poker series deh mau sal dis anyway I know the hygiene ini Naga cookie Iran seda kok kiba group masalah ini siga Naga group masalah ini aku Iran mau 90s ada tahun berlalu asyik berlalu jadi mata lagi si Naga jadi mana masalah Mother Lomo was Empress Pamela, cookies in the Kappa. Moon is a city cookie, Kunamazi, Naga, Tabara, hey, Naga, a police, Howard, the grown on the Howard, Koyabuzu, God, Sansa, Lithuania, the Mayam Sansa, talk about the other Matum ladies fighting for Naga, they was couldn't wear it was okay. And a large
Assam police seized 10.333 kilograms heroin estimated to be worth 105 crore rupees near 𝗔𝗡𝗖𝐬 bypass in 𝗂𝐻𝐸 district during an operation on Saturday night. The official said that the consignment was coming from Myanmar and they have arrested 3 Mizoram residents in this connection. Assam Chief Minister 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗃 yesterday morning shared the information on social media. Taking to X, he wrote, "Massive drug haul of 105 crore rupees in a major crackdown on the drugs network. Kasar police conducted a special operation and confiscated 10.333 kg heroin transported from a neighboring state." SP Kasar District Numal Mahata yesterday said that based on secret information, they conducted a raid in Atal Basti area near Silchar on Saturday night and seized the narcotic products from a vehicle. As per the information shared by DSP, the 3 arrested persons have been identified as Daniel C. Lanchandama, 32, Laltan Zova, 31, and Ms. Masom Mengi, 36. Daniel is a resident of Aizawl, while the other 2 are residents of Champai district, which shares a border with Myanmar. The consignment of the narcotic substance is illegally transported from Champai district of Mizoram, and it is suspected that it was coming from Myanmar. They are investigating the backward and forward links to find where the narcotic products were going, the SP said. He said that a case has been registered against these 3 individuals under narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances and DPS, and they'll be produced before the court today. Organizer and Coordination Liberal College Assam Unit Council Langbam Boni announced that the student body will boycott new admission process of the college until the vacant posts of teachers of some departments are filled. Addressing media persons at a press meet at Liberal College, Luang Sangbam today, Boni termed it extremely unfortunate despite repeated requests to the authority concerned to fill the vacant posts and send teachers. The authority turned a deaf ear. As such, he warned of boycotting new admission process in the college until the required teachers are sent. He also urged the authority concerned to transfer the excess teachers in some departments of the college to other colleges.
Higher education secretary but yaningdaba adudagi akona matung daba processing akona thinjanbagi khongjang changjan jabane maramdi kaigino haya matamda hoji chhatradi maching kangdani hinkale adagi lamlamdagi higher secondary education da dum mai palpa chhatra jingje apagi college da ming chanma matamda ozagi samisya je agi oza watpagi samisya je yamna ka hera thingala haitare aduga chhatra maching kangdani hinkala maching maram oraga akoina maching khung chanjala kana haitare adagi oza maching walakpanina akoi lana exam je akoi lana thagi mo ma chakharani samna harabada notoba aduna chingba mayama sisingi maramoina maruina akona chathajarapne joji chathari ba phibam asidadi koina khongjanga ji handobo gi phibam di laitri adubu sisida mari lenaba authority singna akogi pung chenjanbiraga sida mai osindirna akogi wali oja sing aduga akogi college sa oja ahin yawi department khara dhalta adujindo lokpiu aduga atopa college wali sing thajanbira aduga akogi joji ki oina akogi college to atopa department khara da wali oja sing ja sije mu chenbi chi pawodi akogi college da anoba satra chi department ji oina min chanbi da ba haina kana wale chale akogi desa consignment level college oina.
President of 𝗂𝐤𝐸𝐵 Calendar Board, 𝗙𝐸𝐴𝐴 𝐵𝗫𝐺𝒉 𝐶𝐼ROM appealed to the people to only follow calendar released by 𝗂𝐤𝐸𝐵 Calendar so as to prevent any controversy or confusion with regard to dates of the Manipuri lunar months. He was speaking at the observance of the 16th Foundation Day of 𝗂𝐤𝐸𝐵 Calendar Board at Manipur Press Club today. Director of JENIMS, Dr. Laishram Deben, JENIMS Medical Superintendent Professor Dr. K.H. Lokeshwar, Advisor of 𝗂𝐤𝐸𝐵 Calendar Board, Arkam Langol, and Vice President of the Board were the main guests at the observance. Speaking further, 𝗙𝐸𝐴𝐴 𝐵𝗫𝐺𝒉 said that earlier the months were counted based on a concept of era of the state of West Bengal calendar. However, there were many confusions as there is time difference in sunrise between West Bengal and Manipur. As such, 𝗂𝐤𝐸𝐵 Calendar Board has been releasing the calendar for the state based on a sunrise measured at Kangla so as to prevent any confusion, he said, and appealed to the people of the state to follow calendar released by the board.
US media agi
Now let us take a short break. We'll be right back.
Step into a world of endless possibilities with 18 dynamic faculties and 180 plus courses. Unlock your potential with industrial-ready training and placements. SGT University, empowering tomorrow's leaders.
trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back. A Thanksgiving program was held today after the house of 𝗲𝗏𝗻 of Khumbong Mamang Laikai, which was completely damaged by the violent hailstorm that swept across Manipur on May 5, was repaired by 𝐶𝐸𝐰𝐬 20𝘁𝗵 with donations from people of Manipur. Advisor of 𝐶𝐸𝐰𝐬 20𝘁𝗵 social scientist Dr. 𝗸𝗵𝗀𝗀, Arambay Tenggol Unit 14 Commander 𝗵𝗴𝗲 𝐷𝗀𝗃, Friday Chuhing Proprietor 𝗸𝗶𝘀𝗄 𝗠𝗠𝗠, Imphal West Student Club Khumbong General Secretary 𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀 Oinam, Senior Member of 𝐶𝐸𝐰𝐬 20𝘁𝗵 𝗍𝗵𝗀𝗀 were among those present on the occasion. Environment activist Manikanta Mutum also attended and planted 3 saplings in the surrounding areas of the house. Besides Miran Flowers, presented flowers and decorated the house, renowned singer Sadananda Hamom, penna artist Andrew Laifrakpam, music composer Rabi Shankar, folk artist Benita Laishram, Dulop Robert Irom were also present at the program. A total of 5,08,072 rupees were donated for the repair of the house by a total number of 1,394 kind donors. Members of the hailstorm-affected family expressed gratitude to 𝐶𝐸𝐰𝐬 20𝘁𝗵 and the donors for all their kind gestures. Voting is in progress for the 5th phase of the Lok Sabha elections. Overall, nearly 48% voter turnout has been recorded till 3 p.m. 49 parliamentary constituencies spread over 6 states and 2 union territories are being covered in this phase. These include 14 seats in Uttar Pradesh, 13 in Maharashtra, 7 in West Bengal, 5 each in Odisha and Bihar, 3 in Jharkhand and 1 each in union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Polling is also taking place in Odisha for the 2nd phase of assembly elections for 35 constituencies. Assembly by-elections are also being held for Gandhe seat in Jharkhand and Lucknow East constituency in Uttar Pradesh. Voting started at 7 this morning and will conclude at 6 in the evening. 695 candidates are in the fray in this phase. The prominent candidates whose fate is being decided today include BJP leaders and Union Ministers Rajnath Singh, Piyush Goyal and Smriti Irani, Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and KL Sharma, Omar Abdullah of the National Conference and Chirag Paswan of LJP Ram Vilas. Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi and his foreign minister died when their helicopter crashed as it was crossing mountain terrain in heavy fog, an Iranian official told the news agency. The incident occurred during President Raisi's return flight to the Iranian city Tabriz after he and Azerbaijani President Ilham Aliyev inaugurated the Qish Dam on their shared border. The helicopter carrying the 63-year-old President Raisi, Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdullahian and other officials lost contact approximately 30 minutes into the flight. This sparked immediate concerns and a massive search and rescue operation. World leaders have expressed their condolences on the death of Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi in the helicopter crash. Rescue teams began searching for Raisi on Sunday afternoon after his aircraft, which also carried 9 other officials, went missing. This morning, relief workers located the missing helicopter. State TV reported that the president's body and that of the others on board had been identified. Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei will now need to move quickly to replace the country's leadership, with Tehran navigating heightened tensions in the Middle East and the risk of open conflict with Israel. Now, before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur police arrest 4 cadres of different underground outfits, recovers huge cash of arms and ammunition from different locations. Bazaar soap owners community's 24-hour total shutdown affects normal life in Quiramban market area. Business establishments, pharmacies set. Manipur cannot be saved without Meiteis, says Meitei Leepun Chief Pramod. And Assam police seize huge consignment of drug worth 105 crore rupees, arrest 3 Mizoram residents. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window News.